May 9, 2018. Explosion was triggered by a rockfall from the steep walls of overlooked crater.
The steady lowering of the lava lake in Overlook crater, at the summit of Kilauea volcano has raised the potential for explosive eruptions in the coming weeks. If the lava column drops to the level of groundwater beneath Kilauea caldera, influx of water into the conduit could cause steam-driven explosions. Debris expelled during such explosions could impact the area surrounding the Kilauea summit. At this time, we cannot say with certainty that explosive activity will occur, how large the explosions could be, or how long such explosive activity could continue.